Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do duo on the Dress and Price game of Roblox mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Now I'm playing the Dress and Price game of Roblox with my phone, and I'm going to show you how you can send the duo request to your friends in DTI. First, you're going to go to this menu and you'll see duo option right here. Just tap on that and then you can pick your duo. And just remember that you can only pick duo if they are your friends, so you won't be able to send the duo request to the other players if you haven't been friends with them. So add the players as your friend and then you can pick them as your duo. Just click on invite right here and the duo invitation will be automatically sent to the player. Okay guys, and that's how you can do the duo on the Dress to Impress game of Roblox mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!